okay? And then you're going to notice when you have a little opening, then you can go straight up, okay? Make sure that the scissor is as high as possible so you don't pierce any of the organs, okay? So you're going to go all the way up. Once you get here, you're going to get to the thoracic cavity, okay, and the ribs, the rib cage. You have to crunch it. It's all in the name of science, peeps. All in the name of science. All right, and then what you're going to notice when you cut open is that you have the muscle right here. And what muscle is that?
Rectus abdominis.
No, this is the rectus abdominis.
Diaphragm.
Very good, the diaphragm. All right, so you're going to just kind of cut alongside the diaphragm. Okay, and then you're going to make a little flap here. Sorry, guys. Flap here.
Water inside.
Yeah, well, it's not water, it's preservative. Okay, and then you're going to make another cut on the rib cage. This is just membrane in here. Okay, cut the rib cage. This is not the best.
I'm sorry.
I know. Okay, so then you're going to open it, and then just very carefully, because, you know, it's quite liquidy, right? I'm just going to pour the liquid out. The preservative. Okay? So you're going to open it like this. Then the next thing you're going to do, now be very careful, because remember, you're going to use these animals for the rest of the semester to look at urinary and reproductive, okay? Then what you're going to do is right by the ear. Okay, be very careful. Right by the ear, you're going to make a little cut. You might have to make it with the scalpel first. My scalpels are not very sharp.
It's behind.
Come on. Right behind the ear. Not like right below the ear.
Below the
See,
ear.
it's so liquidy now. It's not going to be a good thing. But okay, so right around here. So make a little cut. Don't go too much. And I'm going to cut around there. Right, and then we're going to also cut by the neck. Point here is to expose the salivary gland. Oh, shoot. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to cut. All right, so let's go over here to this one. Okay. So when we look here, first let's look at the salivary gland. So first you have one right here. Okay, and then you have another right here, which I kind of chopped a little bit. Just know them as the salivary glands. Okay? So when we go in here, what you're going to see is, so I have to move the heart and the lungs. I hope I don't break it. Actually, let me cut a little more here. I want to expose the esophagus, but I don't want to. I should trail by the. I'm going to get rid of the heart. Let's cut out the heart. We don't need that this semester. Can't locate it right now. Hold on. Damn, I just destroyed the trachea. I can't see the esophagus right now. I'm going to look in that animal in a minute. I think I just destroyed it. Okay, so here we have What's this here?
The liver.
The liver, very good. Okay, so here we have the liver. And if we kind of lift it, we see the stomach.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Alright, so here we have the stomach right here. Okay. Right underneath, you see all this sort of adipose tissue. That's actually the pancreas.
That Korea?
Yeah, that's the pancreas. See right here underneath this? See that right there? That's the pancreas. Kind of leafy-like. Okay. This is the omentum, as well as fat. Okay. Then here we have the spleen. Spleen right here. Okay. And then if we follow along, we could start to. This is the duodenum. Okay. Jejunum, and you can see the jejunum is held together by the mesentery. You see that? Also called a mesentery proper. If we follow along, remember there's no gallbladder in the rectum. Okay, we follow along to the end. We have the ileum, and that will empty out into this very large cecum. Okay, so now we're in the large intestine. All right. So
I thought the large intestine starts on the right.
First of all, this is, I moved it, right? It is sort of on the right. It's going to be different from the human doesn't have this humongous cecum that the rat does. Okay? And then we follow down. Here we have this sigmoid colon and the rectum. Okay? The rectum's right here. And you can see that it's filled with waste. Okay? And later on, we'll talk about what everything else is, okay? But just for you to know, these are the kidneys. You don't need to know that now, okay? So that's for digestion. And now, what I want you to do is, when you get your animals, very carefully cut out the stomach, open it, so you can see the lumen. Okay? Now, let me see if I can. Oh, this one's nice. Let's get the esophagus. Ruining the trachea. To show you one of your animals. Okay? Alright, so get your gloves on.
I'll send them both to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so get the gloves on. Yes.